How to make a hub for the center of a CD. So in TinkerCAD here, you can see I've just started up a new file, and I'm just going to rename this right away and go CD Centre Hub. Right, so I have my new name, and basically let's just get started. So we're just going to grab a cylinder here, drag it out to the middle. I'm going to scroll in with my center button and click. And I'm just going to leave this as 20. That's fine. And I want to change the height here right now down to, I don't know, about 2 millimeters. We don't need any thicker than that. So we'll just click on 2, and there we go. Now right away, I'm going to go start a different work plane because I'm going to build this up. So I'm going to grab a work plane, click on it. Now if you look, we're actually the next level up higher. All right, so I'm just going to grab another cylinder, drop it over here, change the size of it right away. This one's more critical, 15.4, because it's the one that's actually going to sit right inside the CD, so 15.4. And your printer may vary slightly, so and filaments, so this may not be the right number, but hopefully it is for what we're doing. And again, I'm going to change the height, and this height really doesn't matter, but I'm going to leave it, I don't know, maybe 2 millimeters. Okay, so again, I can click on here, and I can actually just drag it down, right? And I can go to 2, or I can just put a number in. So there's another 2 millimeters. And what I'm going to do right away is just go up to another plane. I'm not even going to worry about, I'll just temporarily center this. I'm just going to grab this somewhere, kind of make it look like it's centered. Right? I'm going to go up to the next plane, and I'm going to put the last cylinder in. And this cylinder here needs to be, really doesn't matter, but we're going to go 8 for something to do. So there's 8 millimeters that way, 8 millimeters that way. Right? And again, I'm just going to take this, kind of put it in the center. And height-wise, I'm going to type it this time. I don't know. Let's go 4 millimeters high. Right. So there you go. Doesn't really matter what it is. Now that I've gotten to here, I'm just going to get rid of my plane and put my plane back on the main one. So I'm going to click plane, and I'm just going to zoom way out here, just anywhere in the white, and click, and I'm back on my lowest plane. All right. So I'm holding the right mouse button down right now to move this around. Now let's align everything. So I'm just going to align it all like this by highlighting everything. Click on Align. And I'm going to align everything to this bottom one, like that, and to that. And you can see everything just slightly moved. All right, time for the hole. Again, grab a different one now. This is just a cylinder hole. And this one here is a little bit critical as well. Every printer is going to be slightly different in the materials. I'm going to go with 3.5 millimeters. And over here, 3.5 millimeters. And once again, I don't care about the height because it's going to be a hole, so I will align everything again. I know I'm doing it twice. And basically go align, and we're going to align this way, and we're going to align everything this way. If I look now, there everything's nicely aligned. And from there, I'm just going to group this whole thing to get rid of my cylinder like this, so it's a final piece. And I just come up to here and go group. And to wait for it, oh, apparently it's taken me a few seconds here, don't know why. And eventually it will. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. Okay, and there's my finished piece. There's my hub for the center of a CD. So I've got it saved here. I can back out. I can export as an STL. So we'll just export to an STL. You just saw it downloaded. Not sure what that's there for. Right, there's my file there, and I'm just going to go into my slicing software now to print it out. And that's how you make the Center CD Hub.